Mr. Krishnendu, he came to an emergency on Wednesday night around 1 a.m. He accidentally got his middle finger amputated while he fell on a glass table. So immediately he was addressed, he was taken for emergency surgery, which involves a complex surgery where all the structures are involved. The surgery lasts around 3 to 4 hours. Right now he's doing well. We are planning to discharge and hopefully he should be having good results.
Hi, this is Krishnendu and I have been admitted to Medica on Wednesday. For me, I think Mr. Akhilesh Agarwal was the person who took care of me and who did my plastic surgery also. I want to thank Mr. Akhilesh Agarwal for his patience, for his incredible work, and at least helping, because I am a working professional and without one finger it would have been really a tough journey for me, both be it on the physical part or in the personal part of my life.